Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another Asos unboxing. It wasn't long ago that I posted the stocking fillers. This time it's their little Luxuries beauty box. It costs £50 and it doesn't have a value, but it says there's 74% saving, whatever that may be. I'm not very good with maths. And it contains 11 beauty products. The box is really pretty. Same size as their normal boxes, so I'm not sure if this is their beauty box for October. Asos are known for having different priced boxes. They release a box every single month. Some are £12, but the majority of them are £15 to £18. I don't think we've had a £50 box in a long while. But is it worth it? There's 11 products in there. As you can probably tell, and if you've already seen any spoilers, there are quite small products. I think there's 2 full sizes. I'll have a proper look now as I go through. But if you're interested in this box for yourself, then as always, you will find a link down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers and my advent calendar playlists and things like that. So you're welcome to take a look down below. A little sneak peek first. Sometimes there is a little leaflet with these boxes. But no, there's no leaflet with this one. So I've got my phone just in case I haven't got a clue what some of these items are. But let's start with number 0. I haven't had this before. Olaplex Professional Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. It primes, repairs, strengthens and protects all hair types, and there's 155 mils there. This intensive bond building treatment is best used as a 2-part system with number 3 Hair Perfector, which is a pre-wash shampoo treatment to strengthen and repair all types of damaged hair. Apply slowly to dry hair, distributing evenly from root to tip. Hair should then be damp, not drenched. Leave on for 10 minutes. For the best results, apply the number 3 Hair Perfector. Have we got that in here? Yeah, we got the number 3. Okay, so for best results, apply the number 3 Hair Perfector over number 0. Combing through is needed and let process for 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo and condition. This is a pre-wash shampoo treatment. You apply it to your hair just a couple of times a week. I usually do it about once or twice, but I'm currently using Rosemary by Hair Syrup at the moment. So I want my hair to grow. I've got lots of fine thinning hair all around my hairline, and I've got a lot of fluff, but I don't know if it's working yet. But I really do like the sound of this. So yeah, so please let me know if you use this 2-step system or you've tried this before. I'd love to hear what you think. Next, we got something else for your hair. This is a healing oil by Virtue. Protect, shines and mends. And there's 20 mils there. Alright then, Shake to Activate is an award winner. 100% said hair was instantly shinier. 94% felt hair looked instantly repaired. I have got this. I've had it in a beauty box before. Maybe an Asos box, I don't know. It could be somewhere else. I haven't got a clue, but I haven't used it yet. Virtue's best-selling healing oil strengthens, protects and adds shine to hair with a fast-absorbing, emollient-rich formula containing alpha-keratin 60 Ku. It says apply 2 to 3 drops into the hands and work through damp or dry hair and style as required. I will give that a go because Virtue is supposed to be really, really great. I've tried some of their styling products and I really like it. Next we've got Shiseido. This is the Ultimune serum. This is beautiful. This is so lovely. Power Infusing Concentrate, and there's 10 mils there. So it's a sample. I've got a few of these little minis. And they are so lovely. I take them away if I go away for a night or a holiday or something. So I've got another one now. But I have actually got the full-size one as well. And I've got about half left. It's very, very pricey, but it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is stunning. I love Shiseido. I really love it. We've got a special cleansing gel by Dermalogica. And there is 15 mils here. Soap-free foaming gel cleanses all skin conditions. It's got a cleanser. Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is the face cream and there's 20 mils here. I've had this a few times in advent calendars so far. It's a really nice cream. I like it. So we've got face cream. I'm going through this quite fast, aren't I? I just realised. And we've got a Bobbi Brown. I'm seeing loads of these recently. I've just unboxed the John Lewis Advent Calendar. It's up on my channel now. And I'm sure this is the same one. Gold and bronze. This was in there. And I've probably got another one from a different Advent Calendar. And I've got one myself because I love these. These are amazing eyeshadow sticks. Really long lasting, beautiful shades. Beautiful to blend out. Yeah, really, really stunning. Really pretty. Gorgeous with a really dark matte brown, which I've also got. So yeah, so I got that. Got a mascara, just Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. I've never tried this. That's what the brush is like. A little bit different, isn't it? It looks like it's all twisted. Yeah, give that a go. As I said, I haven't tried it before. Next we got Origins, and this is Checks and Balances. This is a Milky Oil Cleanser and Makeup Melter. And there's 15 mils there as well. Can you see the difference in colour? If I put my hand in the way, can you see? So you mix it, give it a good old shake, and it all mixes together. So a Milky Oil Cleanser. I haven't tried this either. I don't think there's any scent, which is fine. It's got a cleanser. Then we got a Nars lipstick. This is a Dragon Girl, and this is a little mini one. It rings a bell, the name. I wonder if I've already got it. I love the packaging. That's a beautiful colour. I got a feeling I've already got it though. I'll have to go through my lipsticks to have a look. But no, that's really nice. I do really like it. I love the packaging. And then lastly, we've got a perfume. This is Marc Jacobs Perfect. And there's 5 mils there. I have smelt this before and I love Marc Jacobs. I've got loads of them. I've got this one. I've got this. I've got this one. I got this one. Oh, and they're all fallen now. And I got the new little capsules as well. So I do love Marc Jacobs, but I'm not keen on this one, unfortunately. It's really cute though. I love the design of the bottles. They're beautiful. Let's try a little bit there again. It is such a beautiful smell, but it's just a little bit too sweet for me. Yeah, unfortunately. So there's that, and those are all the products inside this box. So I'll go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. I'll start off with the full-size items first. So we have got here Olaplex number 0, and it's a Bond Treatment Spray. And we got a Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Bronze. There. I'm not sure how much that would cost, but I know this is about £25. Then you got the Huda Beauty One Coat Mascara. We've got the Shiseido Ultimune Serum. Got Dr. Barbara Sturm, the Face Cream Moisturiser. Got a Special Cleansing Gel by Dermalogica. Got Olaplex number 3, a pre-wash hair treatment. We've got Origins Checks and Balances, a Milky Oil Cleanser. We've got a Healing Oil by Virtue. A Marc Jacobs Perfume Perfect. And lastly, a Nars lipstick in Dragon Girl. Looking at the products in there, they are really lovely products, but a lot of them are samples, so you can't really put a value on samples. I think it's the Next website, whenever they do their boxes, if you look at the information, they calculate the value based on like the full size or the travel sizes that you can actually buy at that size. I'm sure they mention that they don't take into consideration samples. I love Asos. I shop with them all the time. I love that they bring out these beauty boxes. I've been getting them for years. Probably about 6 years or so, whenever they started anyway. Even though I had to get this one, I had to share it with you, had to show you what's inside, because I know that you lot would want to see exactly, you know, the sizing and everything. But £50 is a lot of money. I just had a quick look, and on the Olaplex website is £28. These two full sizes come to around £50, so this is what you're paying for. And all the other items, which are either samples or little minis, are like added extras. If you love these items anyway, if you've tried them, you really like them, then I think this box is really great, especially because you've got like 9 other items in there. But I do think, yeah, £50 is quite expensive for just 2 full-size products in there. You've got Shiseido, Nars, Virtue, you know, they are really great brands. But yeah, I'm a bit on the fence about this one. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it for yourself? Or are you thinking, I don't know? Or are you thinking, no, definitely not? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.